Transferring money from RBC to Tangerine is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To transfer money from RBC to Tangerine, you have to get into RBC official website. Once you get into its website, scroll down and you will find out the process of transferring money. Then first of all, set up the US online banking. Now link your RBC Canadian and US accounts. After you're done setting up online banking, you can link your RBC Canadian and US accounts so you'll be able to complete cross-border currency conversions and transfers instantly and for free. Now, follow the simple steps through the process with the confidence that your information is secure. You will receive a one-time passcode to link your accounts. Then sign in to US online banking. After that, select Profile and Preferences. Link my cross-border accounts. Then, follow the prompts to link your accounts. Now, let's get to know about the Canadian online banking process. So first of all, sign in to Canadian online banking. Then select My Services, then link Other Accounts. After that, select Link or Unlink your RBC Bank US online banking.